In this lesson, I'll be guiding you how to read and write the next 5 letters. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. First, let's have a look at the Hiragana table. We are going to learn the 5 letters. The letter's consonant is K sound, and you add the 5 vowels a, I, U, E, O after K. For example, the first letter is Ka, so the sound is ka. The second one is Ki, so the sound is ki. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Okay, let's start writing. The first one is ka. 1, 2, and 3. Ka, ka. Next one is ki. So 1, 2, 3, then 4. Ki, ki. You might see the typing letter like this too. This is also exactly the same sound, same letter of ki. Next one is ku. 1. That's it. Ku, ku. Next one is ke. 1, 2, and 3. Ke, ke. The last one is ko. 1 and 2. Ko, ko. Now it's time to review. What is this? Ki. What is this? Ka. What is this? Ko. What is this? Ku. What is this? Ke. Well done! You've learned the 5 letters ka, ki, ku, ke, ko in this lesson. So the next 5 letters will be ga, gi, gu, ge, go. See you in the next lesson. Bye!